Hello, in this video I will demonstrate the usage of a new script that is used to introduce and extract gateway VMs. Those gateway VMs will be used as a gateway to allow external students to access their pods from outside of the local network, in other words, from internet. As I will be using static IPs and we can use 3 digits on the number, I will try to match the numbers with the IPs. So first I'm going to create a few pods from this baseline, VCP baseline. It has an ESX, a gateway VM, and vCenter. I will create student VCP pods from 198 to 201. So now the student pods are created. Each one has a gateway VM. That gateway VM only needs to be created once. So I will move the gateway parent VM to another VApp. After this, I will have to go to each gateway manually or however you want and configure the network to access the external network, and then the operating system with the correct IP settings specific for this pod, and repeat the operation on the other pods. The students will use the pods, and when they are finished with their job, here is where the new script comes in. Before we delete the pods, the student pods, we will extract the gateway VMs into a safe place for later reuse. With this script called gatewayInsertExtract, we provide the source VApp root name, which is the beginning of the name of the VMs, student VCP, the source VM root name, which is the VM specific name, gateway, the destination VApp root name, in this case is gateway's bucket, this VApp over here, and the operation, which could be insert or extract, the end number and the start number. So we want to select only these VMs. We could have hundreds of VMs. So I will extract now the gateway VMs from those pods. It tells me what is the operation to perform. Move VM called this to VApp gateway's bucket. If I'm happy with the operation, I press yes. Any other answer means no. And now we can see that the gateway VMs move into the gateway's bucket. Now we can delete all these student pods using the usual script, which in this case it will be remove link clone pods student VCP. Those student VCP VMs will be deleted. In preparation for another class, I will create those pods again from this baseline who doesn't have the gateway now. And since those gateways are already configured with IPs, I will just need to add them to the pods. They are going to keep the network settings and the NICs and the port groups as they were, even if the virtual switch has been deleted on the process. So for example, this VM is using the port called student VCP pod 198, which belongs to a specific virtual switch. If that virtual switch is deleted, the name stays. The port doesn't exist anymore, but the name stays. So when that port group exists again, it becomes valid again. So you don't have to be touching these VMs anymore. You configure them once and then just insert and extract. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to insert the same gateway VMs from 198 to 201 into the destination via route name, which is student VCP. Student VCP plus the pod numbers specified here. The operation is insert. It also displays what it's going to do to make sure it's going to do what we wanted. If any of the VMs or VApps is not found, it will stop there and tell us about what couldn't be found. I say yes, and the gateways are introduced in each one of the pods with the port groups as we left them configured at the beginning. So in this way, with this small script, you can insert and extract the gateway VMs once they have been created with the original pod cloning script. Because these gateway VMs are link clones of this one, they also occupy very little space. And that's it. Thanks for watching.